If you're a bride who dreams in blush and gold, then you deserve a gown that feels like a fairy tale. Let's step into your enchanted story. Imagine gliding through a secret garden at dusk, soft blush organza swirling around you with every step, its silk mikado base catching the golden light. The ball gown silhouette is pure romance, sculpted to perfection for your fairy tale moment. Gentle bishop sleeves billow with elegance, framing a delicate sweetheart neckline that feels both regal and tender. But it's the details that truly dazzle, handcrafted 3D flowers blooming across the bodice, each petal shimmering with sequins like morning dew. Hints of gold thread weave magic through the blush fabric, a subtle glow that's utterly enchanting. This is more than bridal couture. It's an invitation to be the queen of your own enchanted garden. For brides who believe in magic, dreams, and unforgettable entrances, your royal moment awaits.